Assalamualaikum and very good evening to everybody. Welcome back to this video. In this video is for tutorial 2.9, which is the design of mesh reinforcement for flange beam at midspan. For this case, we consider singly reinforced where the neutral axis is in the flange. So this is the questions from the module. You can refer to page 70. So you have to design the mesh reinforcement for flange beam sections, which is considering concrete class C25/30, and the beam is located near the midspan. So here is the data considering all the dimension of flange width, beam width, overall depth, and until the diameter of corresponding steel reinforcement. Okay, so first of all, as usual, make sure you're familiar with this step. So can I have the value of D? Okay, thank you. 452 is your B. Okay, 452 mm. So you enter the corresponding value inside this equation. So may I have the MF? Okay, 641.3 kilonewton meter. So you compare with your MED. What is your MED, the design moment? Okay, your MED is 150 kilonewton meter. So it's larger than your MED. So you can conclude that the neutral axis is in the flange. So you can neglect the flange, then design directly as rectangular sections. So the next step is you just recall back our previous tutorials. Okay, like this one. Okay, so just enter the value of design moment, FCK, BW, and D. So can I have the value of K? 0.147. Okay, lesser or greater than? Okay, lesser than 0.167. So this is singly or doubly? Okay, so singly reinforced. So our Z is we just directly insert the value of K here. So what is the value of Z? 0.84 D, okay, less than 0.95 D. So we use Z is 0.85, okay, 5 D. Okay, so proceed to the next step, which is the area of steel reinforcement required. So just enter the corresponding value of MED and Z. You use 0.85 D. So D is 452. So what is the value of S required? Anybody? Okay, 898 millimeter square. So by referring to this schedule, okay, which one? Okay, 20. So 3H 20 correspond to 942 mm square greater than AS required. So 3H 20. Okay. So next step is checking the S minimum and S maximum. So the value of FCTM for concrete class 35/30 shall be okay 2.6. Okay, you refer to this table. Okay, and then the S minimum, you solve these equations. You use any value. Okay, 122.2 mm square, and then this is lesser than as provided, so it's okay. And then how about the S maximum? Okay, 4,000 mm square, and this one is greater than as provided, so our design is okay. So you can sketch. We can sketch the steel reinforcement. Okay, here is your, let's say this is your section. Just maintain, okay, just maintain. Okay, we design as the procedure of rectangular section, but for the sketching, just maintain the flange. Okay, so complete the dimension. Okay, this one shall be 800. The effective flange width. This one, the width of the web is 200, and then the thickness of the slab is 150, and then the depth of the beam H is equal to 500. So our main reinforcement is we use 3H20 at the bottom. Okay, for flange beam, it's always at the bottom. So 3H20. So this is our detailing. Make sure you know on how to sketch the detailing of steel reinforcement. Okay, congratulations. We just finished the tutorial 2.9. So you can test your ability to answer the exercise A1 to B6 from page 72 to 73. Okay, if you get tired, this one, if you get tired, please learn to rest and please not to quit. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you can enjoy learning something new today. So thank you very much. See you again. Bye-bye.